These are the bakers.
Automatically.
Automatic bakers.
Nice. It's nice to capture the essence.
Yeah.
What has happened, what it took.
Yeah. These all are priceless memories for all of
Yeah.
us. Almadi is
I saw.
my father.
2009. Huh?
Yeah. So we do a lot of things where we do two flagship programs. One is Daksha, which is skill development program.
Skill development. Yes.
We have 15 centers across India. We place 7,000 people every year. And basically there are 22 trades, all local employment. Average salary is around 8 to 10,000 rupees in 3 months. And the guy who runs it is a person, he's the ex-DRDO secretary, Ashok Gupta.
Oh,
and he
nice.
was the chairman of CCI, Competition
Oh.
Commission of India. So after retirement, he's come
He
in,
joined you.
really scaled it up. And then the second program we have is Gram Parivartan. So we have looked at we've mapped every household near our plant, and we've taken a target to increase their income by 1 lakh rupees per year. So out of 86,000 families, 24,000 families already done. It's all on the app.
And where was this done? 86,000 in one village or
All plants.
all plants?
50
50
kilometers, all plants from 50 within 50 kilometers
within 15 kilometers of your plant.
of our plant.
So
And
families should agree to be
No,
part
so
of
what we've done, we've mapped their assets.
Ah.
And so, like, for example, somebody has animals, somebody has land, somebody has young, kids who want to work, somebody has middle-aged women who are very enterprising. So we've mapped their assets and we've looked at government has a lot of schemes, but they don't know about those schemes.
linkage.
So we are just providing the last mile linkage, and sometimes we provide working capital financing also.
Correct. Exposure, working capital finance.
Exposure and working capital financing,
Oh,
and we
nice.
handhold them, and then we basically just see whether the income is increasing or not increasing and what problems they are facing. So for example, sometimes they face vaccination problems for animals. Okay, so we'll ensure that that vaccination is provided. Sometimes they face training issues for women
Yeah.
or confidence issues, so we will help them with that training and confidence issues.
Oh, nice.
So it's a softer program. We don't put up that much money, but because government has a lot
See,
of money,
money
but that
ecosystem, see, to pull them out of the cycle of poverty, they need a hand holding.
handholding.
पैसे का मतलब नहीं है. The money is merely a catalyst, but that will not solve all the problems. Exposure, getting them what are the opportunities around themselves. We have to explore.
So scale of the government, efficiency, last mile efficiency, where we have trusted people.
Good
We
sir.
have interested.
Now I'll get you to meet CM sir. He has something called the P4 program. He'll give you a good target.
करूँगा sir.
और 10 लाख फैमिली आपको टारगेट दे देंगे हम.
अच्छा है,
हाँ?
अच्छा है. We also want to work because
No, no,
we
we'll
all
take it
have
up
to
very
work
seriously.
together.
That's some slide for
1950.
This is our ad on Day of Independence.
Oh wow.
This is that shuttle which we built in Odisha, that badminton academy.
Ah.
It's in the space of a shuttle. These are the landmarks which we built from our cement. These are the various varieties of
Cement.
That is Diksha
Yeah, big shop.
and Gram Parivartan. We also built airstrip cement, which is very fast setting.
Oh, is it? That's a different grade, huh?
Because defense applications के लिए they want very quick.
Oh, really?
the next is that in Kadapa, what we are doing in CSR,
Ah.
particularly from this plant.
There are two aspects of this. One is what we are going to build now. In the heart of Kadapa,
This is
The
the
CSR for the Kadapa plant.
Dalmia Bharat Foundation is partnering with communities to create lasting change.
We
Through
are
focused
water
interventions
conservation,
in water
sir. We are
conservation,
doing
clean
for check
energy,
dams.
livelihoods, skilling, health,
one project
and
which is taken
infrastructure,
off is zero budget
we are
natural
building
farming.
stronger, more sustainable
We have gone zero budget, so we have gone back to our traditional ways of farming. Huge success here.
through integrated
Last time I was here 2 months back, I went to a farm.
over 3,300
The farmer is doing exceptionally well. So he asked me for an EV tractor. I think this week we are delivering the EV tractor. Mein kar raha hu uske. Amazing work he's done.
These efforts
Sustainable.
thousands of
It will be good to study that. Zero budget natural farming.
Sure, sir.
Because PM sir is also pushing it.
Yes, sir.
Because the way we're using urea, GM modified seeds is not good in the long run.
extends beyond
It's a big concern here.
clean cooking solutions and solar power
Urea
backup
stove, which
are
reduces
reducing carbon emissions
carbon dioxide and monoxide by burning light.
and bringing safer,
Like giving the solar
brighter
lights,
futures
handy solar
to
lights
rural
also, sir.
households across dozens of villages.
Hopefully we are giving 100% current, so your light should not be relevant.
Up to now it's not relevant.
The 100% dena hai.
Yeah, agreed.
Even small power cuts we are not accepting.
Thousands
This,
are creating
every fourth Saturday they do maintenance. We said no. वो real time करना है, क्यों shut down करना है system?
Some people for starting their businesses on their own. Couple years they can.
This is what we need to do, more and more.
We are teaching them computer courses also.
This is the Diksha. Diksha Karan.
542 young men and women
Giving the scholarships to the students. Right.
Sir, our main focus is how do we generate the livelihood. That's the main focus.
Yeah, economically.
doors to financial independence and professional growth. Our social development initiatives are improving everyday life. Clean drinking water,
Putting RO in
upgrading
the schools in the village and all.
Yeah, the uniform is art school children. So
roads, and community infrastructure are helping create
We are
healthier,
having
more vibrant
teaching swimming classes also.
Behind every number is a story.
We are giving the funds to buy the machines so that they can start their own.
A woman running her own enterprise. A young person is starting a career. A child learning in a safer, healthier environment. At Dalmia Bharat Foundation, we believe meaningful progress is achieved when communities thrive.
Nearby
alongside
the
industry.
lobbies we have generated
Together,
the ghat
we
also
are
so
nurturing
that they can
livelihoods,
clean and dry
protecting
properly.
natural resources, and creating opportunities that will endure for generations.
This is for Kadapa plant, sir.
nice.
And next, we are showing what we are building in line 2, sir. What we are building here in line 2.
This is the 3D model we have created for our new plant. So plant is going to look like exactly what we are trying to show here. This is the basically a cross-country conveyor.
What is your current capacity here?
3 million.
3 million. And after expansion?
6 million. So we are
So you're doubling
9
it.
million.
So it'll become 9 million.
Yeah.
This will be the biggest, sir. This will be the biggest production capacity, around 9.6 million ton cement.
Single plant for Dalmia. 9.6 million. It'll be the largest.
I think the pan India also this will be the biggest.
Yeah?
Single location, single location.
Largest.
Nice.
And we'll further expand. We are making a master plan to put
Yeah.
3-4 more lines here. This is the cross section of the entire plant, right from the raw material processing, grinding, reprocessing, and clinkerization, and cooler, and the cement grinding. This is how the entire process runs, sir. I'll show in the site also that what activity we have just now started after getting the seed.
Nice.
For all fuels, all raw materials will be under the shed, sir.
All
Nothing
shade,
will be
all
outside.
Nothing to expose to the environment.
Everything is exposed.
So the villagers should not have any issues. That is very important.
All our transport towers will be equipped with
This
the
is the
back
clinker
filters,
storage tank.
so no emission anywhere, no fluid moving.
And sorry, what are those tanks?
Clinker.
Clinker
You store
storage.
Clinker before cement grinding. So all are covered
Sorry, you store clinker in the tank before binding.
before grinding. So plant has to run continuously.
Yeah, yeah. So you need to keep your buffer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Founded in 1939 by Sri Jayadayal Dalmia,
1939.
the Dalmia Bharat Group has journeyed
All
over 8 decades
stacks
from a
will be
modest
having the
scale to
continuous
become
monitoring system and all data will go to CPCB portal, sir. So no chances of any error.
And after this, which would be the larger plant?
Second largest.
Second largest क्या होगा?
Second largest होगा हमारा finish कौन सा होगा? होगा 9 million, 7 million.
7 point.
But that is
7.2.
just a grinding.
Grinding unit,
It's not a full integrated
Okay.
unit. But 7 and it's in Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
So at some locations we've split the capacity
I saw
into
that.
grinding.
Grinding and
But the grinding units, our grinding units are also the large, sir.
Sugar is there, huh?
Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and UP.
Sugar में क्या कर रहे हो?
Ethanol, sugar and power.
So
All
you,
integrated.
that is why you are able to keep your head above water. It's a highly cyclical business, no?
Very cyclical.
Because power, ethanol, everything, then it works out. Otherwise, where will sugar work out? See, now I need to drag him for the sports initiative. That is why I came here. So I have a big ask now. I have 10 things to ask him. No, they have done a beautiful thing. So we are now reworking our sports policy and all. Working with all partners. So I want to bring in a partner of 5-6 people to guide us.
A lot of young people now benefit from
No,
this.
huge program.
The uniqueness of this is we have the lights on the top. When the lights are light up, then you get a perfect shape of a shuttle.
Shuttle.
That's how we
Ah,
have named
nice.
it the shuttle.
That's a beautiful. See, hardware ek hai, software is what I'm looking at, boss. I'm saying, you get the trainers, build that ecosystem out. Talent is with us, but ecosystem is what is it.
Gopi Chand is
Gopi Chand, yes. Good. Jana hai na? Chalo, we'll walk. We'll walk a few floors. Just one. We are all part of an ecosystem, na? No, my industries minister is a great one. Bharat is fantastic. Systematic. So we are all like, see, teamwork karna hai. See, whatever we do without teamwork, we can't achieve what we're doing. No?
Softer things is what